Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into the best Boblov M5 body-mounted cam, an exceptional wearable camera for law enforcement, outdoor workers, and anyone in need of reliable on-the-go recording. Let's get started. Product features: 4200 mAh rechargeable battery for long-time use. The Boblov M5 is powered by a robust 4200 mAh rechargeable battery. When fully charged, it offers 15 hours of continuous recording at 1080p resolution with IR off and up to 25 hours standby time. This makes it perfect for all-day recording needs. Multifunctional and compact design. This body camera combines multiple functions such as video, audio, photo, and playback. Its additional features, including loop recording, stealth mode, red and blue flashing lights, and an alarm sound, make it a versatile choice for law enforcement and evidence gathering. Ultra-high-definition recording and night vision. Capture every detail with the Boblov M5's 2560x 1440p video resolution and 48MP photo capability. It also includes 6 built-in IR lights, ensuring clear footage even at night, making it a reliable tool for nighttime operations. IP67 waterproof and 2M drop resistance. Durability is a standout feature. The Boblov M5 features an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand heavy rains and even 30 minutes underwater. It's also designed to survive drops of up to 2 meters, thanks to its sturdy ABS shell. 64 GB internal memory and packaging. With 64 GB of built-in storage, the camera offers ample space for long recordings. The package includes a USB cable, a short 360 clip, a long 180 clip, and a user manual. Boblov backs its product with a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Pros: long battery life. Provides up to 15 hours of recording, ideal for extended shifts. High-quality footage. Delivers ultra-clear video and sharp 48MP photos. Night vision. Built-in IR lights ensure visibility in low-light conditions. Durable design. IP67 waterproofing and drop resistance up to 2 meters. Ample storage. 64 GB internal memory eliminates the need for external cards. Versatile features. Loop recording, stealth mode, and flashing lights add flexibility. Comprehensive warranty. 2 years of protection for a worry-free purchase. Cons: charging time. Requires 5-6 hours for a full charge, which might be inconvenient for quick recharges. Limited resolution options. While 1440p is excellent, the absence of 4K might deter some users. Non-expandable storage. No support for additional memory cards limits recording duration. Bulkiness: though compact, some users may find it slightly heavier compared to other body cams. Final thoughts. The Boblov M5 body-mounted cam excels in performance, durability, and versatility, making it a top choice for professionals who need reliable, high-quality recording. With its long battery life, high-definition video, and robust design, it is tailored for demanding environments like law enforcement, security, and outdoor work. However, minor drawbacks such as its charging time and non-expandable storage might affect some users. Overall, for the price and features offered, the Boblov M5 stands out as a solid investment. If you're interested, check the price using the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.